Hey YouTube, I got a pretty bun hairstyle done 3 ways here for you, so if you'd like to see how we do it, stick around. We're going to do a nice bun in the back with a top portion of hair that we're going to do 3 different ways. And I like this hairstyle because it's a 5-minute hairstyle that we can get done quickly, but it still can be jazzed up to look elegant or made cute for school with different colored hair bows or headbands if we wanted to do that as well. But it's a nice, easy hairstyle, but yet it can look like we put a lot of effort into it. And so we always love those type of hairstyles. I skipped over the moisture section of this video. You guys know I like the lock method, so I've already applied my liquid, my oil, and my conditioner. And then I applied a generous amount of mousse there, as you saw us playing in it, giving a little bit of there to Aurora on her finger. And then we also applied my gel that I like to use. The gel I use is also a moisturizing gel. Every product, if I can't find a moisturizing product, I like to add the moisture myself. And so the gel, again, I don't show it in this video, but it is still the World of Curls Curl Activating Gel. As you see me pop that rubber band there. If you guys can figure out what rubber bands work, please let me know, because you'll see me pop a second one. This is not a repeat. That was not a glitch in the film. I popped 2 bands just trying to make a ponytail. I have way more popped rubber bands that I have to throw away with each style than I have of rubber bands that I can successfully install. It's so annoying. The big rubber bands, the small rubber bands, all of them, they just pop so easily. And I'm just looking for a brand that I don't have to throw half to 2/3 of the package away before I get to do a style. But anyway, let me stop ranting. As you see, we put our donut in there. We secured it with a rubber band over top of the donut after smoothing the hair. And then we installed bobos around the bun to give it a cute, elegant style, a little extra something going on around the bun there. And now I'm going to start working that top piece of hair. We can do our first style here, which would just be to have it out and curly and put some earrings on with her and she'd be ready to go. Or a second choice for us would be to put a bobo in that part of the hair and she could wear it out in the bobo. That looks cute as well. We do that quite often. And finally, if we don't want to leave any hair out and maybe have a nice protective day, and a day where you don't have to come home and detangle hair after it's been out at school or at a play date or things like that, you can just 2-strand twist the hair. I like to 2-strand twist it individually and then twist the 2 pieces of hair together and then wrap it around the bobo. And that's our third style there. We love these hairstyles again. We hope you love them. We hope your little one loves them as well. And we thank you guys for watching.